In Alias 2023, we have implemented the brand new subdiv reform tool. This technology is absolutely great if you have, for example, scan data as a reference, so a triangulated mesh, and you want to work on this furthermore, which is not possible on this kind of mesh. So you can select the model, open up the reform tool and create an automatic generated subd model from out of this mesh. Within the tool you can set the percentage of the original mesh that should be taken to calculate the new object, the absolute amount of faces used, and also the subdivisions which are refining the object while keeping the topology. And also the bias can bring you closer to the original scan data. See here how clean the result of this wing mirror is compared to the scan data. And if you want to work furthermore on the object, you can switch directly to the retopo tool and work manually on refinements, with the mesh as reference geometry already set. This will save you so much time in the design workflow when working with a triangulated reference. We also added a totally unique modifier that is able to adjust the end of crease edges. Now you can fade out the end of a crease edge, which will give you a much smoother topology and with that a super smooth fade out of the crease edge. Within the tool I can select how many crease edges are taken into account for making the transition more or less smooth. Or I can change the bias towards one or the other edge and play around with the sharpness to achieve different results. We also added improvements and tools that help you in your surfacing design process. We completely reworked the round tool. Now you can select all edges to be rounded just with a simple box selection in one go. Then adjust the settings to your needs, like changing the continuity, and build it. For further detailing or adjusting some corners and edges separately, just select them, type in the new radius, or select another ball corner method and then calculate it. This makes your workflow much more fluent and faster. Check it out, you will enjoy it. Thanks for watching the video.